Hello there, it's Ashfad Hossain. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this type of hover effect on your Elementor website. Okay, let's see how you can make it. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard, then pages, and click on add new page. Let me add the title cards, then publish, then click on edit with Elementor. Okay, now our edit page has been loaded. You can see here I have enabled structure so that I can see everything what I'm doing here. Okay, first of all, take a container and inside of it I will take another container. Okay, the second container, let me name it card 1, and I will duplicate it twice. Now I will select the first container and the direction will be horizontal. Okay, I will select the middle one and drag and drop an image. Now I will take another container below that image. Okay, I will add a heading widget inside the container and a text editor. Okay, let me do a little bit customization here. Now I will select the cart container, then layout and gap will be 0. It will look like that. Now I will add an image here like that. Okay, and simply if I hover over on that main container, the text will be come out from the top. Okay, let me add some more content here. Simply copy and paste it here. Okay, now I will select that heading and go to its advanced tab. In the CSS class I will name it HI and I will select this text editor and go to its advanced tab and name it P in its CSS class, and I will select the inner container and go to its advanced tab and will name it deep. Then we will select the cart container and go to its advanced tab and we'll write some code here. But we have to select that container, so we will write selector, and then our container name was div. You can see container class was div. You can see dot div dot p. Okay, I will give it a negative margin on top, minus 200 pixel. Not 200, it will be 190, no, 70, 170. Okay, minus 170 pixel, and I will set its opacity to 0. Okay, now I will again copy the class names here, and I will add hover after the selector. Okay, let me explain that property. First of all, we wrote selector, and after that we wrote hover. Why? Because first of all we have to select that cart container, then if we hover over on that cart container, the effect will be happen. Okay, after hover, the margin, negative margin will be 0, margin top will be 0 pixel, and opacity will be 1. Okay, so if you hover over on it, we can see the text comes down from the top, but we need to make it more smooth, so that's why we will add a transition property, transition margin top 0.5 second, then comma, opacity 0.3 second. You can see, but if you hover over on it, we can see the text on the image. Okay, so we will add a z index value to the edit text editor to 1, and the image, and select the image, and z index value will be 2. Okay, you can see now everything looks great, but it will be 0.3. but you can see if I hover over on it, and that works very smooth. But if I hover out, you can see that instantly close up. If we want to fix it, we have to select that container, and the transition property will copy it and paste it to the top. Okay, and you can see that works smoothly. Okay, but I will add some okay, that looks good. Okay, that looks good. Let me duplicate it twice, and I will delete those blank containers. Here your hover effect is ready. Okay, thank you.